Alright guys, cheers.
Day 1 and we lost. I don't care about these guys, make sure I
Yeah.
It's a party. Right on, we're going down. Hello everyone, we're here at Laguardia. We're actually here to meet up with Sally, Tommy, and Hannah. They're coming in from Long Island, where we just came from our apartment in Brooklyn. And then we're gonna take our flight, gonna do a layover in Dallas, and then get to Palm Springs, where we're gonna go pick up a car rental to go to Joshua Tree, where we're gonna meet up with Collin, Michelle, Olivia, Michelle's sister, and Luc, which is Olivia's friend. It's gonna be a pretty big trip today. It's gonna be a pretty big vlog. Look who be here. Hello. Hello.
We're ready for it.
You guys all ready? She wants to change her socks because she went into soaking water. What? It was piss. I'm joking. It's piss.
Where's your luggage?
Sally's a trooper. She offered to take my duffel bag, but look at that. It's like not even on the floor. All right, guys. Cheers to a successful, we just started, but to a successful Joshua Tree.
To a successful plane ride.
Hanna and I were in boarding group 6. The others are in boarding group 7. Will we see them? Far behind over there. All right, everyone. We have just landed in Dallas, and we are now going to Pizza Hut. Our glorious Friday dinner.
I ain't complaining.
We got Pizza Hut and Shake Shack. Look at that little trader over there. Comment down below if you're against pineapple on pizza, because I don't care. I like it.
Same.
We are here at Palm Springs. Yeah! Yeah! And now we're gonna go get our car rental. This isn't like an outdoor airport here. It's small. We have arrived!
Sorry, we're closed.
Oh my god, I really did not recognize Collin. Because now I really thought this was a stranger.
Why, hello there!
I opened the door, I stuck my head out and I said sorry.
Yeah, I really thought it was a stranger.
Breakfast run at Dollar General. Look at those Joshua Tree. Fun fact, according to Michelle, they are not even trees. Or are they? I don't know. Maybe cacti. Vlog section.
Each one is individually handled
You just have
by my
cinnamon.
wife and myself. We make them in our home here in the desert. It's an all butter and cream cheese based dough of Russian.
Is that again?
The assorted pack, where you get all 5 flavors in the same package. All baked this morning.
Got the first purchase over here. The first purchase. Where are my cabbages? You gonna get one?
No, we can't afford it.
The wax is all natural. Our wax
Checking out the Joshua Tree Rock Shop. That smells good.
We should all get a rock.
Oh, they do. $25. This tiny one. So we're buying these rock tree and Washaw tree because we're in Joshua Tree. Me too. That was why I wanted one. Photo shoot. Is it hot? Aw, the happy couple. Taking a photo with the guys. Heading over to Walmart now. Look at our haul in Walmart. Thus far, we are not even done.
Let the vacation begin.
We are back here at the Airbnb and it looks like Collin's starting a VR. And we're just observing these two main, I don't know, what do you call it? Two chefs and then their assistants over there. Making this delicious meal today. Look at those potatoes! Look at those potatoes! Oh, there's a lot of pepper. Oh, wow! Look at that.
Why don't you use a fork or a spoon? What's wrong with you?
There's like a whole production.
What the fuck?
Those might be too hot.
Homemade mojito.
I think you also just put it in.
Before today, I thought they were stupid rocks. But after today, I feel like they are the secret of spiritual enlightenment.
Oh my god!
Fucking poached eggs.
Oh my god. Compliments to the chefs right over there. Cheers! Thank you for the amazing lunch. We're going to our very first hike. In this car, we've got Hannah, and then we've got Tommy driving this time, and Sally navigating. We are going to Skull Rocks, I think, Nature Trail, something like that. And the other car is right behind us, if we can see them. Guys, this is one issue to being in Joshua National.
It's day one and we lost.
Yeah, like we left around the same time. Honestly, I don't even know if they left immediately after us, but we all have no service. AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile. So we're literally just trying to find them now. We've been waiting for like 30 minutes, I think. Is that them? Is that them?
Actually, it's going pretty fast. No, it's not them.
Oh no. So we decide to proceed. Constantly looking back to see if they're there. Oh my god, day one and we have lost them.
Can you just put it away?
The gang has arrived. Oh. They were at Jumbo Rocks campground and now we're here after they came back to where we were originally supposed to go.
But yeah, so we're all together now.
Uh-oh. The guys are up there now for their glamour shot. Look at the way Collin's posed.
I don't care about these guys. Make sure I look good.
New album coming out September 25th. Shadow of the School Bus.
Hannah, you're in all our shots.
That's actually a good idea.
We are now on an ice cream break, but look at this shit.
I got a blue. Who ordered the blue?
I ordered a blue, but I can't hold all this at once. They're struggling. They're coming down after their little escapades.
Oh, I got my back. Oh, crap.
Wow. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
We got Jesus right here.
Showed us the way.
The two sisters. The Chen Sips. Not really. Luke, Hannah, and Tommy. Wow, look at that view.
Okay, Christine's driving for once. It's been what, a year?
Guys, I have survived. I have driven for the first time. Well, not in the first time in that one. And I did a great job. Shut up. It's been 2-3 years. I mean, if you count the part where I drove in Boston with Derek, but that was like 2 minutes. That doesn't count. Well, what is this place called? Hidden Valley? We're now here in Hidden Valley Nature Trail. And we're supposed to be looking at the sunset, but it's kind of set already. Blind my camera. It's a party. Guys, I'm gonna take you into this demonic trail. Look at that moon over yonder. The food has finally arrived. We ordered from Castaneda's. I think that's it. Castaneda's Mexican cuisine, and it took a while because a lot of things were closed. Well, that's what you should expect in Joshua Tree. But now we're in. Oh my god! A fly!